This is Full Circle Health and Wealth. The manager, the one, the only. Hold up. Let me pose. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna talk about self-love exercises. Probably gonna be three steps. I'm thinking the first one. Definitely drink plenty of water. I think a minimum of a gallon or 8 bottles. I would say 8 to 10. Keep you hydrated. Look at look at that. I might have to give me a swig right now. Hold up. We got the first one, baby. The first. Water. Hydrate yourself. Hold up. So hydrate yourself. Keep, your body's more than water. Mostly water. Mostly water. So, the only thing I can say, that's one. Stay hydrated. I don't care if you're cold. When you're cold, it's easier to not drink more water. So, be careful on that. Stay hydrated. 1. Think positive thoughts for yourself, outcomes you want to see, versus things you don't want, like seeing stupid stuff on TV. It's cool, balance, but I don't be attached to that foolishness. Personally, you each his own. Do you? I'm gonna do me. So maybe wake up, look yourself in the mirror for a minute straight. Tell yourself you love you. I love you. You're so handsome. You're so sexy. You're so this. You're so that. Goes miles away. Keep doing that do it for 30 days. Or do it for a week and see how you feel about yourself. But that's for people that have low self-esteem, or want to boost, it's for everybody. I would say trying to boost themselves up in confidence. But so that's number 2. Tell yourself you love yourself. Self-care. Hold up. Shameless plug. 22 plus herb bath by Full Circle Health. We can get you right. Every week or every 2 weeks, do a spa bath. Get your skin nice. Look at that. Look, I'm so handsome, mama. I gotta kiss myself 4 times. Both hands. I don't know. I maybe missed one, but let me do one more time, just in case. So we said 22 plus herb bath every week, every 2 weeks. Get yourself right. That self spa. Look. I do this every week. Skin looking good. Need to get gotta get that fast on though. You don't lie, but we alright. We out here. So, only thing I can really say about it: drink plenty of water. Self-love. You can even go, get a massage. Whatever. But I would say definitely tell yourself you love yourself to boost your self-esteem. How is somebody else going to love you if you don't love yourself? Okay, 3, health. That was, I guess you could say that's with self-care, but eating the healthy stuff. Eat healthy food. At least, cooking home more than eating outside. When you're at home, you know what you're putting in it, seasoning. Outside, you got Felipe in the back cooking it up. You have a bad day. Now he's making your food. Now that energy is in your food. It's crazy. Or he just don't have bad hygiene. I don't know, man. I'm just saying. It's better off than, you know, unless you a nasty mother sucker too, and you and Felipe is two match made in heaven, I guess. So I would say the health, eating well, exercise. So exercise goes with it. A walk. Go on a walk. Get you some sun. If you ain't got no sun, that sucks. I mean, it is what it is. Maybe you need to figure that out. But the sun, I get the sun. 60 minutes of the sun gives me all the vitamin D I need for the week. So that's why I go get the sun. Fortunately, it's cloudy. It is what it is. So we got drink plenty of water. Self-love, self-care, health. That's self-love, self-care at the same time, because you put in the proper foods, you know, fruits, vegetables. Go on more with, you know, olive oil if you're gonna do certain things, and just balance. It's all balance. If you're gonna eat like something outside, make sure you eat for 2 days inside, or try to find the balance plus exercise. Or if you eat bad, go to the gym, work it out, do some cardio, walk. Don't be lazy, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. It's your life. I could just give you the information. You're the one to be like, I don't know. My ego is telling me to stay the same. But I know if I stay the same, nothing's going to change. Whoa, that's crazy. It's crazy. I know. Think about that. But this is Full Circle Health and Wealth. This is the Guru. Fahiim the Guru. The manager of Full Circle Health and Wealth. The great, the healer, the teacher, the preacher, the student, and the lover. You guys be safe out there. Slam that door on that negativity. And we'll see you next time.